All right, this is the part-time live trading session for today, the 13th of February 2018. It's been quite a bit of mixed price action. Actually, we have gone through all of the pairs, all 28 major currency crosses. There is nothing really interesting to trade, but we found 2 or 3 aggressive trade setup that we might want to get involved in one of them. Okay, so I'm not really going to waste your time in this live session, so let's just go ahead and take the trade in one of those pairs that we are seeing a possible clear directional bias. Okay, all right, the first one is in the euro against the New Zealand dollar. This pair is showing some severe bounces of this area of support, and it seems the directional bias for tomorrow will be to the upside. Price is likely to keep pushing to the upside in this pair. All right, anyway, I'm not going to explain further on this because this is not the one that we are interested in. Okay, the second one is the euro against the sterling pounds. Euro against the sterling pounds here is again trading around key area of resistance, and today's candle is more of a spinning top. That is another hint that price is likely to push down for tomorrow. Okay, well, this is also not the one that we are going to be taking, so there is no need of wasting your time again on that. So so which one are we taking? The sterling pounds against the New Zealand dollar is something that we will need to consider taking a long trade here on. In the 4 hours time frame, price is actually trading around a key level of support, in fact key area of support. Okay, so taking a trade around this key area of support, this junction here, makes sense. All right, we are trading off a support, and this is the key area of resistance. At any rate, we'll be having all of these room to look for a look for some pips, which is a good thing, a good risk reward ratio. This area of support is going to be our point of reference, and our stop loss is going to be hidden few pips below that area of support. Okay, well, that's the aggressive trade that we are looking at. So let's just go ahead. The market is about to close. I think we have 20 minutes more before spreads get widened. We are going to take the trade now, but well, swap charges, that might not be much because this is a trade that we might not hold for more than 2 days. Okay, for more than 2 days. So let's see if we can take that trade right now. Now, current price is the entry level. That's current price there. We are just going to place our stop loss a few pips below this level of support, just a few pips below that area of support. That's our stop loss level. So target level, well, we are going to keep it open, but if you like, if you are using a different approach to calculate your lot size, then this is this is going to be your first target level, the 1.9202 area. Somewhere around here will be your second target level. Let me place a line there. The 1.9368 area, and the final target level is going to be just before hitting the this key level of resistance, which is 1.9433 area. Okay, anyway, we are not going to be taking into consideration those levels of profit taking levels. We are just going to pay attention to the entry and the stop loss. So we're using our lot size calculator to calculate the appropriate lot size for this trade. All right, so lot size calculator, what's the value in pips from the entry to the stop loss area? Approximately is 171 pips. Okay, that's huge enough, so you have to be the lot size calculator might drop the size of the lot size to take in this trade. 100, let's see, 173 approximately, so lot size 173. Let's risk 2% on this. Okay, remember we don't have any trades running anymore, so let's just keep one trade running on our accounts. The lot size calculator is recommending 1.15 lot on this trade, so I'm going to go ahead and take this trade. 1.15. the stop loss is 1.8926. okay, all right, so that's it. I'm going to take the trade right now. Buy. I am in that trade right now. This is my stop loss, this is my entry, that is the trade plan. If price turns around hitting my stop loss, well, I will not be losing more than 2% of my account. If I keep shifting this stop loss, if I keep moving this stop loss to the downside as price moves against me, well, I will be extending my risk more than 2%, maybe 3%, 5%. The more I expand that lot size, the more I will be increasing my risk. So we are not really going to do that because the levels here are clear enough, so we won't do that. We will just stick to 2%. okay, 2% risk on this trade. All right, so that's it. Nothing much to talk about here. For the sterling pounds against the Canadian dollar in the weekly time frame, well, it is really not looking good. The current weekly candle has pushed just too far, so we are going to delete that order. Let's just cancel that, delete it. We are not keeping that order anymore. For the American dollar against the Canadian dollar, that order has been hit at a break even. The remaining 50% has been hit at break even, so that trade is now closed. Okay, we don't have we only have one trade running right now, which is that from the sterling pounds against the New Zealand dollar, that which we have just taken, and they're sitting at some loss for now, spread charges and all of that. So we'll just keep that trade running. That's the only trade that is running for now. Okay, all right, if you have questions regarding this trade, please feel absolutely free to ask them in the live chat window. Again, don't force trades. Don't try to take trades without making proper analysis. You might be having some troubles with that. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again before the London market opens. Bye for now.